بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
الحمد لله فاطر السماوات والأرض جاعل الملائكة رسلا أولي أجنحة مثنى وثلاث ورباع يزيد في الخلق ما يشاء إن الله على كل شيء
All praise be to Allah, the fashioner of the heavens and earth, who appointed angels as his message bearers, having 2, 3, 4 wings. He adds to his creation whatever he pleases. Verily, Allah has power over everything.
ما يفتح الله للناس من رحمة فلا ممسك لها وما يمسك فلا مرسل له من بعده وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever mercy Allah accords to people, none can withhold. And whatever He withholds, no other will be able to release after Him. He is most mighty, most wise.
يا أيها الناس اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم هل من خالق غير الله يرزقكم من السماء والأرض لا
O people, remember Allah's favor upon you. Is there any creator apart from Allah who provides you your sustenance out of the heavens and earth? There is no God but He. Whither are you then being misdirected?
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كُذِّبَتْ رُسُلٌ مِّن قَبْلِكَ وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورُ.
O Prophet, there's nothing novel in it. If they cry lies to you, messengers before you were also cried lies to. To Allah shall all matters be sent back.
يا أيها الناس إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
O people, assuredly Allah's promise is true. So let the life of the world not delude you, and let not the deluder delude you concerning Allah.
إن الشيطان لكم عدو فاتخذوه عدوا إنما يدعو حزبه ليكونوا من أصحاب السعير.
Surely Satan is an enemy to you. Therefore do take him as an enemy. He calls his followers to his way so that they may be among the inmates of the fire.
الذين كفروا لهم عذاب شديد والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
A severe chastisement lies in store for those that disbelieve, but there is pardon and a great reward for those that believe and work righteous deeds.
أفمن زين له سوء سوء عمله فرآه حسنا فإن الله يضل من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء فلا تذهب نفسك عليهم حسرات إن الله عليم بما يصنعون.
How awful is the straying of the person for whom his evil deed has been embellished so that it looks fair to him. The fact is that Allah causes whomsoever He will to fall into error and shows the right way to whomsoever He will. So, O Prophet, let not your life go to waste sorrowing over them. Allah is well aware of all that they do.
والله الذي أرسل الرياح فتثير سحابا فسقناه إلى بلد ميت فأحيينا به الأرض بعد موتها كذلك النشور.
It is Allah who sends forth winds, which then set the clouds in motion, which we drive to some dead land, giving a fresh life to earth after it had become dead. Such will be the resurrection of the dead.
من كان يريد العزة فلله العزة جميعا إليه يصعد الكلم الطيب والعمل الصالح يرفعه والذين يمكرون السيئات لهم عذاب شديد ومكر أولئك هو يبور.
He who seeks glory, let him know that all glory belongs to Allah alone. To Him do good words go up, and righteous action uplifts them. But those who contrive evil deeds, a severe punishment lies in store for them, and their contriving will come to naught.
والله خلقكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم جعلكم أزواجا وما تحمل من أنثى ولا تضع إلا بعلمه وما يعمر من معمر ولا ينقص من عمره إلا في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
Allah created you from dust, then from a drop of sperm, then He made you into pairs. No female conceives nor delivers a child except with His knowledge. None is given a long life, nor is any diminished in his life, but it is written in a book. Surely that is quite easy for Allah.
وما يستوي البحران هذا عذب فرات سائغ شرابه وهذا ملح أجاج ومن كل تأكلون لحما طريا وتستخرجون حلية تلبسونها وترى الفلك فيه مواخر لتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
The two masses of water are not alike. The one is sweet, sates thirst, and is pleasant to drink from, while the other is salt, bitter on the tongue. Yet from both you eat fresh meat and extract from it ornaments that you wear, and you see ships cruising through it, that you may seek of His bounty and be thankful to Him.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ذلكم الله ربكم له الملك والذين تدعون من دونه ما يملكون من قطمير.
He causes the night to phase into the day and the day into the night, and He has subjected the sun and the moon, each running its course to an appointed term. That is Allah, your Lord. To Him belongs the kingdom, but those whom you call upon apart from Allah possess not so much as the skin of a date stone.
إن تدعوهم لا يسمعوا دعاءكم ولو سمعوا ما استجابوا لكم ويوم القيامة يكفرون بشرككم ولا ينبئك مثل خبير.
If you call upon them, they cannot hear your prayer, and if they hear it, they cannot answer it. On the day of resurrection, they will disown you for associating others with Allah in His divinity. No one can inform you of the truth save the All-Aware.
يا أيها الناس أنتم الفقراء إلى الله والله هو الغني الحميد.
O people, it is you who stand in need of Allah. As for Allah, He is self-sufficient, immensely praiseworthy.
إن يشأ يذهبكم ويأتي بخلق جديد.
If He wishes, He can remove you and put in your place a new creation.
وما ذلك على الله بعزيز.
That surely is not difficult for Allah.
ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وإن تدع مثقلة إلى حملها لا يحمل منه شيء ولو كان ذا قربى إنما تنذر الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وأقاموا الصلاة ومن تزكى فإنما يتزكى لنفسه وإلى الله المصير.
No one can bear another's burden. If a heavily laden one should call another to carry his load, none of it shall be carried by the other, even though he be an heir of kin. O Prophet, you can warn only those who fear their Lord without seeing Him and establish prayer. Whoever purifies himself does so to his own good. To Allah is the final return.
وما يستوي الأعمى والبصير.
The blind and the seeing are not alike.
ولا الظلمات ولا النور.
Nor darkness and light.
ولا الظل ولا الحرور.
Nor cool shade and torrid heat.
وما يستوي الأحياء ولا الأموات إن الله يسمع من يشاء وما أنت بمسمع من في القبور.
Nor are the living and the dead alike. Allah makes to hear whomsoever He wishes, but you, O Prophet, cannot cause to hear those who are in their graves.